Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell Inspiron 3480 laptop drivers. So first you have to come this site www.dell.com. This is officially website. After that click on support and then click to driver and download. Then click on enter the model number and then hit enter. After that you can see there are two options, which is manual and automatic. So if you want to install and facing some issues like cameras and all one by one, okay, so you have to install this one. Otherwise this is automatically means just one click and all installs. But you have specific issues like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and you are facing issues and you need to update the driver. So click on this, select the driver. After that click on categorize. This is easy for find this all drivers to download and install. Okay, then scroll down. This is all the driver. Fingerprint sensor. Okay, and click to download. And it is completed. Just single click, then yes, then install. Yes, so you can this getting these issues, but when you install, try to install the next to install and then restart your system.